Facebook Memories helps you revisit your past posts, photos, and events. You can see what you've shared on this day in previous years, interact with those old posts, or hide memories you prefer not to see. You can easily access both old and new memories on your phone. So first, open your Facebook application or the Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Log into your account. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're over here, scroll down and there you'll see the option of memories that is below the feeds option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now here you'll get all your memories according to the date you've posted. From this page, you can also go ahead and create a post on your Facebook at Vodo and post it. And you can also interact with your memories if it's available over here. You can react to it, comment on a memory to engage it, and share it with your friends. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.